Social media graphics are a great way to get people's attention and to promote your pub's events and offers. Here are some tips on how to design and create amazing graphics for Facebook and Instagram. Keep it simple. People's attention spans are limited on social media. Try to keep your graphics as simple as possible. Use clear and easy to read fonts and avoid using too many colours or different elements. Stick to the absolute need to know information. Or if you are going to put additional information on your graphic, think about things that people would be likely to want to share with their friends and family. Also, make sure that you have the key important information on your graphics, like the name of your pub, the address, and the date of the event. Use brand colours and fonts. This helps you to make them more consistent and recognisable. It also helps you to grab attention in the busy news feeds. Make sure your graphics are mobile optimised. Many people access social media on their phones, so it's important to make sure that your graphics look good on smaller screens. Canva is a user-friendly tool for creating professional designs. To begin, sign up for a free Canva account on their website. Here you can create all kinds of designs in the right sizes for social media. Canva offers a wide range of templates for different design types and sizes. For social media graphics, navigate to the social media section at the top and select a template that best suits your needs. You can customize your chosen template with your own photos, you can upload text, you can create graphics, or you can use Canva's pre-made designs. There are loads of templates to choose from, and the best thing to do is, rather than use a pre-made template, is to use one as inspiration. So select one and then tweak it to make it your own. If you search for pub, you can find all kinds of different pub templates within Canva. You can, of course, upload your own photos using the upload button on the left-hand side. And images can be easily uploaded from your computer. When you're choosing your designs, remember that some are only available for pro users. You can customize each template by changing some of the key elements to it. So here's where you upload your own photos, which you may want to do to replace a background on an image, or you can browse through Canva's extensive selection of stock images. Some of these might have the Pro logo next to them, which is a crown, which shows that you must be a Pro member, which means you should be paying to access them. But there are also loads of free images too. And do bear in mind that you can change elements, colours, fonts, and text sizes in your chosen designs. The menu panel at the top of Canva provides tools for font selection, colour changes, text alignment, bullet points, and effects. Some design elements can be animated to create videos. Once your design is complete, you can download it by clicking the share button on the top right-hand corner. You can download your design as a JPEG, which means it will be easy to share it in social media. Canva also has a mobile app, but it is less user-friendly than using the desktop version. For a seamless experience, the desktop version is recommended, as the app can get quite fiddly.